If you are wondering if bypass charging is supported on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then the answer is unfortunately no. This phone does not support true bypass charging. The only thing that is the closest to bypass charging that you can try to use is you can go to settings, then over here you can open battery settings over here, and then you should be able to go to battery protection, and then you can use the manual schedule and set it to always, so then you limit charging to 80%. You can connect your external battery or external charger, whatever, to your smartphone, and as long as you keep it at 80% all the time, then you might be able to just use that instead. However, most likely you will actually not make use of that bypass charger, and instead your phone is going to try to charge the battery all the time. So unfortunately, there is no true bypass charging available just yet, at least, so that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.